Yo, what's going on today, guys? It's your boy Zazo, and I'm back again for another video. So today we got another LeetCode problem. We're going down the top interview by 150 problems, must do list for interview prep, whatever. And we're going down the easy questions. So today I got another one for you. We're gonna be hopping into this majority element question. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. So majority element. Given an array nums of size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n divided by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. All right, so seems easy enough, I guess. So we have 3, 2, and 3. Majority element being 3. So essentially majority element means the length of it divided by 2. It appears more than the length divided by 2. Okay. So this one's 3, and then we have nums here. 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. And then 2. So me personally, I kind of already recognized this pattern when I saw the question. So this is how I would kind of handle it. So in a sense, we're looking for appears more than half the times. So for this example right here, we have 7 elements, right? Given that we have 7 elements, if we look at the middle index, then that should be the number that's majority. Because if you think about it, right, we have 3 elements here. And if we split 3 in half, it would be 1.5 or whatever. It would be 1.5, 3, 1.5, right? We look at the middle element. So that would be, well, we can round down. So element 1, it would be in the middle, right? Whatever that would be in the middle. However, as you can see in this one, it doesn't actually work here. The reason why is because this only works if they're sorted from decreasing to increasing. Well, they actually just have to be, I guess, technically like grouped together. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to sort them. All right. I think I know what I'm doing. Let's go ahead and write down these. All right. We're going to do the second example here. Oof. 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 All right. So we know that n is 7 for this specific example, right? If we divide this by 2, so n divided by 2 is obviously 3.5. Let's round down to 3. So the third index would essentially be the answer, right, of what shows up, what the majority element is, I should say. But that only works if we rearrange this array and put it in a way that these 1s are together, which they are now, but these 2s are not together. So an easy way to do that is just to sort it. And we'll do that there. And then we'll do the 4 2s. Right? So now if we look at this third element, right, because we got 0, 1, 2, 3. This is what is the majority element because it takes up more than half of the total array. Did I say that right? Array nums. So, because array nums, this is 7 elements. That's where that n comes from. So, first thing we're going to do is we'll just write, we need n, and then we need to sort. Those are the first 2 things we're going to do. We're going to do n is equal to the length of nums. We're going to do, we need to sort nums. Dot sort. We're going to sort nums. Then what we're going to do is we're going to return, what are we returning? We're returning n divided by 2 rounded down. N divided by 2. No, we need the index. So we need of this nums, we need n rounded down is going to be the index of nums. So we need nums here. Nums and then this index. All right. I think that should work. And let's pop. All right. So looks like we figured this out. This was a pretty simple one. I've seen this sort of pattern before. That's kind of what please stop reminding me. This is kind of what reminded me of the same solution. I don't know where I've seen it before, but I've seen it. So, all right. That's the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. All right. Love, peace, and chicken grease. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.